I'm Jerry Baltus, owner of Baltus Group. I've spent 30 plus years in the corporate business world and now own a growing business coaching firm. I'm looking for your experience in functional areas of senior leadership, marketing, sales, accounting, operations, and more. I've been blessed with a tremendously challenging and rewarding career and now seek professionals with similar experiences. I'm creating a broader team of associates to join me on a fascinating and rewarding journey using our combined talents, experience, and insight toward helping business owners achieve their goals. Using the AdvoCoach approach and our combined experience and talent, we can change the fortune of businesses and their owners. Please call me at 920-449-5130 if you'd like to learn more about a career as a business coach.